So moving on to the next question, that is question number 3. Which of the following measures is likely to worsen the inflationary pressures in an market? So inflation. So you need to understand what exactly inflation means. Inflation is a general increase in the prices of goods and services in an economy. So consider all these statements. Okay. First statement. Statements which will not worsen the inflation pressure in the market. First statement is increasing the repo rate by the central bank. So what exactly repo rate means? Repo rate is the interest rate at which central bank or the RBI lends the money to the commercial banks for the short duration of time. So when the money, that is when the interest rate is high, commercial bank will not be able to buy the loan from the central banks. Why the commercial banks will buy the loan from the central banks when the interest rate is high? So obviously it will create a less money supply in the market. So it will not worsen the inflationary pressure. So second, reducing the government expenditure on the infrastructure projects. So reducing the government expenditure means less money with the construction workers or those who are involved in the infrastructure. So it will also reduce the money supply in the market and it will not worsen the inflationary condition. And third one, lowering the cash reserve ratio for the banks. So what is cash reserve ratio? You need to understand what exactly cash reserve ratio means. See, economy is one subject. You need to have more conceptual clarity about all the terms. Or either it be cash reserve ratio or the repo rate, reverse repo rate. So what exactly lending rate, demand and supply. Then only you can correctly solve the questions. Okay. So cash reserve ratio. So what exactly cash reserve ratio means? So all the commercial banks need to keep certain percentage of the amount with the central bank, that is RBI, in a cash form. That is a cash reserve ratio. When the lowering the cash reserve ratio increases the money supply in the market, and it is obviously worsens the inflationary condition in the market. So this is the right answer. Okay. So let's see the